Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassan. Today I'm going to show you how to find out the Wi-Fi password through your iPhone. So let's get to it. I'm going to try and connect my phone to my laptop and I'll show you through that way. So let's get to it. So guys, what you need to do is go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi. On your Wi-Fi network that you connect at your house, click on it. Once you click on it, you need to remember now your router IP address. As you guys can see, mine is 192.168.0.1. So go to Google or Safari if you have, and then just type it. Once you type it, then you log in into your router network. Once you log in, go to admin, because you're the main controller, so you're going to control it. But guys, don't forget, if you don't know your password, but most routers default passwords are usernames admin, password admin. I will show you. It's your router's login password. I typed the default username and password can be obtained from the router's manually, which comes with the router when you purchase the first time and install it. Generally, most of the router's default usernames and password is admin and admin. However, those settings may be very dependent on the maker of the router. But guys, for most of them, if you don't know, just put username, password, admin. And now I'm on I already changed my password on my router. So let me put my password on it. And then next. Then once you log in, got a Virgin network. So whoever's got Virgin can do the similar things. As you can see, configure your Wi-Fi network. So once you click on it, it will give you the password. As you guys can see, your current Wi-Fi password is that. So if you guys find this helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also, I'm recording this video from my phone. I've done another video how to connect your iPhone or Android phone to your laptop. Go and check it out. Thank you. Bye.